The days are long, but the nights
are a party.
Next summer in Hoover, Alabama, Move United Nationals is going to be lit. Did I say that right? Like the lights are on?
Yeah, sure.
Of course we'll have the lights on. You need lights.
Listen up, vibe check. Lakeshore Foundation is excited to partner with Hoover for a Move United Nationals that's going to be fire.
Hold up. Wait, it really is going to be awesome. I can't wait to show you our smooth track, fast food, and everything Hoover has to offer. So make plans for Move United Nationals. You don't want to miss it.